Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Adin balami ka jingbom sngohun na kikenhon seng bhalang halor ka jingkendo jongki ya u Amit Shah namar bakila ong ba uklam Jubab AA tang shikinten ru u menteri rangba ka jelau Konrad sangma ula ong ba u Amit Shah ula Shah skor bha ya ka jingyakren bat kikenhon ba pher kenthop ya ki seng bhalang ru bat ula ong ba katai ka jingyakren u Amit Shah ula Jubab da ka bashai ba undang Eksamiin bha Shuwa ya ki inline permit ne ka ILP but kam dai satya kumbala kenno ba uklam Jubab.
Already, in fact, shared the discussion. In fact, in the cabinet ministers had brought this issue out. Apart from this issue, there are many other issues of age schedule, boundary talks, and also the ILP issue had come out. And Mr. Amit Shah had given a very patient hearing, not just to us, but to all the delegations that met him after us also. And in the meeting, he has mentioned that he'll be examining the matter. The government of India is examining the matter, is what he has told the cabinet during the discussion that we had with him.